Okay, I'm cutting open this fuel filter. It's been on a Firebird that sat for 18 years, and I changed the fuel filter before I started it. The gas tank was kind of gummed up, so I cut it open with this pipe cutter. Let's see what's inside here. If I can get it apart. Oh, hell. That's pretty bad, ain't it? Here. Look inside there. See, here's what came out of it. Okay. So I cut that other section off. Here, I cut this part off. Now, cut this other part off here. Oh yeah, look at that. Get a close-up of that. That's just packed solid. So where that car had sat for all those years, having a problem with it running right, and yeah, it's packed solid. Rust and sediment. Now you can't even hardly see the creases in between the fuel filter there. Pretty sure that had something to do with why it's running good.